It's JT with Big Toy Box Reviews, and it's time for another Weird Wednesday. That's right, today on Weird Wednesday we have a tank vehicle. It's like tank type rocket launcher. It's pretty cool. It's called the Rocket Shot, and it's pretty wild looking. This one's purple with like a purple camouflage on it. It's pretty crazy. This is a blue card, so it's a collector number 491. This was designed by Larry Wood. So it's a classic Hot Wheels design. These were in production from 1988 till 1996. This particular one is from 96, and it's the last version of it to be released. Collector number 491. We got a little collector tip there about the Solaire CX4 and how the California custom one was a very collectible one. It says, coolest to collect. The emphasis for the blue cards was collecting, I see here, so they wanted everybody to start collecting Hot Wheels. Boy, this blister has seen better days. You can almost see it in there. I think we can get it out of there. Let's see if we can unbox it. There it is. A rocket tank or rocket shot is a military model with a removable missile on top. See the missile there? It pops right off. It's a very light plastic missile. It's hollow in the middle, and all the way up to the middle of it. See the top there. The top part features a massive engine and hydraulic arms to lift or lower the missile. And it's got camouflage, metallic purple and black tank treads on it, and a ton of plastic in it. The top part's plastic and the base is plastic. The only piece that's metal is the purple part. It says Night Force on the front, and it's the same body and base as the 76 AW Shoot, which was the original Hot Wheels tank. One of the original Hot Wheels tank. Being as a military tank, it features a micro gear wheels. There it is. So tell me in the comment section below if you collect any of these Hot Wheels military vehicles, and if any of you have ever come across these purple Night Force vehicles. I think it's kind of interesting looking. It's definitely one of the wildest and weirdest cars I've done on a Weird Wednesday, or weirdest vehicles. Well, I want to thank everybody for watching the video. I want to thank everybody that subscribed to the channel. Everybody have a great day, and I will see you on the next one.